Okay, now it's really taking shape. I have to make some minor adjustments, but overall it's looking good. Gonna make the second shelf and then eventually just patch it up and touch it up with some paint. But so far so good. Okay, everything's looking good so far. I got all the pieces in place. I really love how the natural color of the weathering of the pallet wood turned out. As you can see, it really does organize.